Hey, what's up everyone? Good morning. It is now Monday, May 8th. This is my third week in my life vlog here in New York City. Today's Monday is just like the last two Mondays, pretty slow. But yeah, wanted to check in with you before I head to the office. It is a beautiful day here in New York. It's about 60 degrees and perfectly sunny. So the vibes are good. And yeah, let's just make this a great week. All right, Tuesday morning, another day, another dollar. Let's go. Hey, what's up everyone? Apologies for not updating you, but I think it's just because I ended up having a very boring night, but very productive nonetheless. I got a lot of my GMAT done, which was honestly pretty tough. And then after that, I just had a lot of business, YouTube stuff I had to do, sending some invoices, emails, scripting videos. So just stayed in, sat right here on my laptop and grinded till about midnight. Today was honestly very similar. I got back in my apartment at about 6:30. Then I worked on the GMAT till about 8. And then I had some more YouTube stuff that I needed to do. And here we are, and it's 10:30. So yeah, not the most glamorous time the last few days. So that's why I didn't film too much, didn't want to bore you and make you close out of this video. But fortunately, the rest of the week is going to be a lot of fun. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna stop talking and see you in the morning. Hey, what's up everyone? It's now Wednesday morning. Today is off to a great start. Not only is it beautiful weather outside, but I also just got an email back securing a brand deal, which is always super exciting. This was the most money I've ever agreed to for a brand deal, so super cool to see that going up and to the right. But yeah, today's gonna be a good day. Obviously heading off to work now, but after work I am going to a pregame at one of my friend's apartments, and then we have another event with Circle Social Club. Tonight's event is at Paul's Casablanca. I've never been there before, but I've heard really great things, and I've got a lot more of my friends coming tonight, so really looking forward to that. It's gonna be a ton of fun. But yeah, with that, I'm going to head to the office now and keep this good day going. Hey, what's up everyone? It's now Thursday morning. Last night was fantastic. Shout out to Circle Social Club for hosting another amazing event. This week it was at Paul's Casablanca, again down in the SOho area. Had a ton of fun there, had a lot of my friends come through. So it was just a really great night with them. But today is a new day, heading to the office now, and then I actually have a happy hour with my coworkers after work. And then I'm also going to my good friend Olivia's place to grill on her rooftop later on this evening. So looking forward to that. It's been beautiful here in New York City. It is definitely rooftop weather, and yeah, looking forward to bringing you along for the ride. So let's go.
You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's now Friday afternoon. It's about 4 p.m. Today's been a very busy day. I've been working from home since it's Friday. I've had a productive day so far, got a lot of work done, and also did my laundry, which was nice just because that had been kind of stressing me out the last few days. But yeah, still finishing work up here, but wanted to let you know what happened yesterday. It was a lot of fun. We went to happy hour after work at Urban Space, which is just a block away from the JP Morgan headquarters. So that was really fun with my coworkers and Maddie, my girlfriend. Then after that, we went to Olivia's apartment. We grilled out on her rooftop. It was an absolutely beautiful night. So that's what those clips were. The steak was phenomenal, and yeah, just good times with good people. And that's what brought us to today. It is Friday. Later on this evening, I have dinner reservations at a Greek restaurant in Midtown East, and then Maddie and I are also going to a rooftop bar in that area. But in the meantime, need to finish up work, need to do my GMAT, do some YouTube stuff, and it's just a lot for me to do in 3 hours. So I'm gonna stop talking and get to work.
Distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again.
Hey, what's up everyone? It is now 3:15 on Saturday afternoon. Today's been a super productive day, just getting a lot of GMAT and also YouTube stuff done, so feeling really great. Last night was a ton of fun. We went to an amazing Greek restaurant, which it was honestly super affordable for New York, and it was really quick, which was nice because we had an 8:30 reservation at a rooftop bar, Ophelia's. That was super cool. It was my first time going there. It was Midtown East, so a little bit of a different view than you typically get at those rooftop bars, but it was a fantastic cocktail and just a really cool date night for myself and Maddie. But yeah, that was last night. Today, I am just in grind mode, getting all those things done that kind of accumulate over the week that all rest on me being productive today. So that's what's on tap for the rest of this afternoon. I really don't have any plans, just gonna be grinding away at this. But if I do anything, I'll take you along for the ride, but I might just be seeing you tomorrow.
Again.
All right, it's now 8:30. Decided to go for a city bike ride, and I somehow ended up in Brooklyn, so not really regretting it. It's pretty amazing views and obviously great weather, so really don't make it over here very often, but after being here for the last 15 minutes, I think I definitely have to take that initiative a little bit more. But yeah, just wanted to get out, have some exercise, but now I'm going to head back into Manhattan. Hey, what's up everyone? It's now Sunday afternoon. Today's been another very productive day. Got my GMAT out of the way, as well as uploaded a new YouTube video. Now I'm just spending the time kind of working on some other videos and also going to be watching the Boston Celtics 76ers Game 7. It's here at 3:30, so looking forward to being productive, multitasking while watching that game for a few hours. Last night, as you know, I did go for a bike ride. I was just feeling a little bit restless since I had been sitting inside all day. Then on the city bike, I accidentally took a wrong turn and ended up going over the Brooklyn Bridge. So that was definitely more of a workout than I was anticipating, but it was really amazing. Had about 10 miles total that I rode, and I really haven't spent too much time in Brooklyn, especially over in Dumbo, so it was really cool to kind of get that view. So that was what I did last night, then just came back here and relaxed. But with that said, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is week 3 of the vlog. I've really loved making these. I've been grateful to have plenty of fun content to bring to you, and I don't plan on slowing down anytime soon. So if you want to make sure you catch all the other videos, subscribe to this channel because I post 2 new videos every single week. As always, if you have any questions at all, reach out to me on Instagram, connect with me on LinkedIn, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Hope we're not too broken.